is max and min. So it's easy to guess what these formulas actually do. So the max formula allows for the maximum value for a specific range to be let's say shown as the outcome here, whereas the minimum does the same but for the minimum value. And again, the structure of both formulas is very similar. So you have max, and then we need the range in which to get the maximum value from, and then the minimum is pretty much the same thing. Now, just to show you the example, here's what we get, and now the maximum is from this range here. The maximum is 93, and then minimum is 20. Okay, now the next